In this video, I will show you how to seamlessly connect Apollo to Claude using the OAuth method to streamline your sales workflows. This integration allows Claude to access your contact data and insights directly, making your AI interactions much more powerful. To get started, open your Claude account and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, look for the section labeled Connectors. This is where you can manage all your external data sources. Once you are in the Connectors tab, use the search bar to find apollo.io. When the icon appears, simply click the Connect button to initiate the link. At this point, Claude will automatically open a new browser window that redirects you to the official Apollo website. If you are not already logged into Apollo, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, a permissions screen will appear asking you to authorize the connection. This step is crucial because it ensures your data remains secure while granting Claude the necessary access to function correctly. Review the permissions and click Authorize to finalize the setup. After a brief moment, the window should close and you will be returned to Claude, where you should see a confirmation that the connection is active. Now you can start leveraging your Apollo database within your AI prompts to find leads or draft personalized emails with ease. This integration saves you from constant tab switching and keeps your data organized in one place. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope this helps you work more efficiently.